Hello students, today I am going to start chapter 1 grade 6 science. Food, where does it come from? In this chapter we are going to study different varieties, materials and sources of food. We need energy to carry out different activities and we need different materials for the growth and development of our body. But कौन से materials? These materials are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals and water. These materials are very important for the growth and development of our body. So the materials which are required for the growth and development of our body, these are called nutrients. From where we get all these nutrients? From food. Food is the basic source of these nutrients. So we need food for the growth and development of our body. Food is available in different forms. There are different varieties of food available. For example, fruits, vegetables, eggs, meat, dairy products, cereals. But a single food doesn't provide all these nutrients. For example, if you like egg very much and you start consuming egg every day, egg is a rich source of protein and you start consuming egg every day, but you do not take other food, you completely ignore other food items, what will happen? You will get protein, but what about the other nutrients? Will you get other nutrients? No, you will not get other nutrients in sufficient amount. So we should consume all the nutrients in proper amount. It means we should have a balanced diet. We mix all these food items to prepare food dish. For example, when you prepare dal, you mix pulses, water, salt, oil and spices. We mix all these things to prepare a dal. So these materials, pulses, water, salt, oil and spices, these materials which are used to prepare a food dish, they are called ingredients. So these are the ingredients to prepare dal. Now can you tell me what are the ingredients of a cooked rice? What we need to prepare cooked rice? We need raw rice and water. So these two are the ingredients of a cooked rice. And what are the ingredients of chapati? Flour, water and oil. These are the ingredients of a chapati. Now sources of these food ingredients. From where we obtain these food ingredients? There are two sources, plants and animals. Either we get food from plants or animals. For example, grains, fruits and vegetables. These things we get from plants, and we get milk, meat and eggs from animals. So either we will get our food from plants or animals. We can say there are two sources of food, plants and animals. Next, which part of a plant is edible? Edible means eatable. Which part of a plant we eat? We eat different parts of the plant. Different parts of a plant are edible. For example, carrot and beetroot. These are the roots. So we eat root of a plant in the form of carrot and beetroot. Potato, onion and garlic. These are the stem of a plant. Spinach, cabbage and coriander. These are the leaves of a plant and we eat leaves also. Apple and mango are the fruits of a plant, and wheat, it is a seed. Sometimes we eat two different parts of a plant. It means more than one part of a plant is also edible. For example, mustard. We eat mustard seed. We get oil from a mustard seed. So seed is also edible, and leaves of a mustard plant is also edible as a vegetable. Now based on eating habits, living organisms can be categorized into three categories: herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. What are herbivorous? Animals which eat only plants and plant products. Those animals are called herbivorous. For example, cow, deer, goat, and rabbit. They eat only plant products. So they are called herbivorous. Second is carnivorous. Animals which eat the flesh of other animals. They are called carnivorous. For example, lion and cat. They only eat meat and other animals. So that's why they come in carnivorous category. Third one is omnivorous. Animals which eat both the plants and animals are called omnivorous. For example, human beings and crow. They eat both the plants and animals. So that's why they are called omnivorous. So they can be categorized into three categories. Herbivorous, जो सिर्फ प्लांट प्रोडक्ट्स खाते हैं. देन कार्निवोरस, जो सिर्फ दूसरे एनिमल्स का फ्लैश खाते हैं. एंड थर्ड इज ओमनिवोरस, दोज हु ईट both the plants and animals. Those are called omnivorous. Goodbye.